never felt tomorrow closing in this fast. Oh, I guess time's in a rush. Leaves are falling down, but at least they grow back. While
I did it. I drove Sydney to school in a snowstorm. What's up, you guys, and welcome back. Yeah, so it is snowing today. If you know me, you know I don't drive in snow. I don't like it. It gives me massive anxiety. Any snowstorm that we've had that school has not closed for, I've chosen to keep Sydney home just so I don't have to drive in it, and we literally live 2 miles from school. School stayed open today. I asked Sydney last night what she wanted to do. I said it was gonna snow, and do you wanna go to school? Do you wanna stay home? And she said she wanted to go to school. It's pajama day. They're doing like Spirit Week. And so she really didn't want to miss another day of school. I just woke up this morning and put my big girl pants on, and I said, okay, I'm gonna drive you to school. Again, I only live like 2 miles from her school, so it's not that bad, but it just gives me massive anxiety and I don't like it. I want to stay home and not even have to deal with it. It was okay this morning. It wasn't bad. What worries me is that it's gonna snow all day, and so when I go to pick her up at like 3:30, you know, hopefully the plows have been out. We're gonna worry about that later. It's fine. We'll be fine. First things first, I'm marinating in my self-care. I'm marinating in my skincare right now. Sipping on my morning coffee, and I have to do the dishes. I have some laundry to do. Just picking up of the house and work. I want to film a reel and get back into the routine of things and not fall behind. I've been feeling so behind lately with work and just comparing myself to others and how much they accomplish and get done.
now I know what it means to grow. Sometimes I understand I'm making all the wrong demands in life. It never pays in the end, but still I am here, moving on like before. I'm yearning to reach the shore. Now I know what it means to grow.
So this is my me time. I just made myself a second coffee. I am using that Starbucks hazelnut latte creamer that has 0 sugar because the Coffee Mate one that I use all the time is out of stock. Supply must be out. And this one's actually pretty good. It does definitely taste like a hazelnut latte, so I don't need as much creamer because it tastes a little bit more creamy. And so I only need a little bit of that, but anyway, that's really good. Made myself one of my favorite bagel sandwiches because we have bagels that I need to either freeze or use. So we have spinach, eggs, cheese, avocado, a little bit of mayonnaise, and everything bagel. Definitely not like healthy. And then I have about 2 loads of laundry that I need to fold. So this is gonna be my me time. just have my like brunch coffee situation while I fold the laundry and try to play catch up.
Still got your pearls hanging by my bedside. Still got your lips on paper in a trash now. I never knew love could be so sweet. I never knew.
All right, I'm an hour in. Progress. But now I'm freezing. I'm gonna go ahead and put another sweatshirt on and turn. I always turn this thing on to take the chill out of the air. And it works really well.
It would sting. I never knew love like this would leave me in pieces.
Looks like it's going in her closet. As soon as I put the laundry away, I'm gonna get myself together, put on some makeup, and see what else needs to be done. Sometimes I don't even know how it's possible I have this much laundry, but I swear half the time there's like 2 pairs of socks worn a day because they get dirty or whatever, like in the winter. Play clothes, pajamas, school clothes, like, you know, all that. It all adds up. I do have to go through Sydney's closet. That'll be another video. I have to go through Sydney's closet and gut out basically all of her 4T stuff. She always goes through a growth spurt and jumps up a size, like January-ish every year. So we have a lot of clothes that no longer fit her, that I have to go through at some point. And I've been buying her new clothes, like fat tee clothes, that are gonna fit her now. So it looks like she has so many clothes, but it's because most of them do not fit her right now. But that's another video, another day. Hence why I feel like it's everywhere. It's just everywhere. Shutting off my heat pump so that I can talk to you and you can hear me actually. Okay, so I have myself a little bit more put together, my makeup's done, and I feel like I can accomplish so many things. Finally, I say this all the time, but it really does make me feel so much better. So I'm trying to make it a habit at some point throughout the day to like put yourself together a little bit. Anyway, so I just shut my heat pump off so that I could talk to you without you guys hearing the fan going. Whenever I run that, I run my ceiling fan too to keep the warm air down and like circulate the air in the winter. And it stirs up all of the dust in my house. So as I was like getting ready, I started to sneeze and have that like scratchy throat and the eyes started to happen. And I was like, okay, I have a dust allergy. I know I've mentioned this several times on my channel. Like last year, it was really bad for me because your allergies change, what do they say, like every 7 years. And so it was all new to me, all brand new, but I suffered for basically an entire year straight because I didn't realize it or know how to help myself. Lots of you guys were telling me like, okay, so you need to make sure your home is very dust free. If you're gonna clean and you're gonna dust, wearing a mask helps a lot, or getting an air purifier. And I finally have an air purifier and I'm about to plug that in. So I'm gonna chat with you guys about the one that I have. It's from Medify Air and I'm working with them on today's video. They have so many different types of air purifiers. They have a wall unit, one for your car even, smaller units that are meant for like smaller spaces, bedrooms, nurseries, things like that of nature. They have larger ones that are meant for larger square foot homes and rooms like offices and things. Fun fact, Sydney's school actually has the Medify Air MA50 in her classroom. They just got it, I want to say a few months ago, like a couple of months ago. I have noticed a huge difference in Sydney's stuffy nose cases. In the beginning of the school year, she had just a constant stuffy nose. I swear, 2 months straight, just constant stuffy nose. And it has drastically reduced just her symptoms. So I feel like it's cleaning the air, it's taking the dust, the pollen, the allergens, the viruses out of the air that's circulating in our homes, especially like in the winter. Our winter air in our homes is like 2 to 5 times more polluted than the outside air, or when we're able to get that our windows open and fresh air in. This one right here is the MA15, and it can purify up to 330 square feet within 30 minutes. Super powerful and actually really quiet too. I usually run it on the 2nd fan speed, and I'll just set it over in between our living room and kitchen and just have that on the ledge. I run this whenever I have my heat pump and my fan going. I also run it like just throughout the day, you know, once in a while to like refresh the air, to make it like nice and clean. This one right here has three different fan speeds, a child lock, a sleep timer. I don't have allergy symptoms anymore, like at all. And I fully know there's so much dust in my house, but it's because I have this air purifier that's taking all the dust, the pollen, the mold, the viruses. It can filter up to like 99% of particles, or 99.9% of particles. I do have a special link that I'm gonna put in the description box below, and my discount code as well, for you guys to get $15 off of your purchase at Medify Air. And then if you bundle too, you can save an additional percentage off. So I hope you guys definitely check them out. I highly recommend getting an air purifier if you're one who suffers with allergies, if you just want a cleaner air environment and you can't like open your windows throughout the winter. Highly recommend. It has made the world of a difference, and I don't have to wear a mask every time I dust or have allergy symptoms and take allergy meds every single day of my life like I did last year.
Oh, Emily, when did you fall right out of love? Oh, Emily, when did the magic stop for us? Oh, but Emily, you are the part of me I feel. It will kill me when you leave and close my door. Oh, Emily. I can't believe it's already over. Too late to talk and fix whatever's broken.
How do things like this happen? One day you're living your life, the next day you look up and you have a full-grown furry monster growing on your walls. It's just wonderful. Gross. Ugh. Spring cleaning needs to happen ASAP. All right, it's that time. Go pick up that little girl. I instantly have like heart palpitations and sweats. It's ridiculous.
I always thought love like ours would last. I never knew love could pass. Tomorrow comes and you are not around. Feels uneasy. Oh, Emily, when did you fall right out of love? Oh, Emily, when did the magic stop for us?
I'm sure the roads are plowed by now, so I'm sure it's fine, but let's take it in because it's so pretty. Not too bad. Kind of light snow. You gonna sled?
Yeah.
I gotta make that pile a little bigger, huh?